What's good, y'all? It's your, well, I can't even say it's your boy anything yet, because this is me reintroducing myself to the YouTube world. I made a small attempt at YouTube about 10, 12 months ago. It was honestly to promote. I had posted it on my Facebook that I was starting a brand, like a clothing brand, a lifestyle brand, about positivity and everything like that. And it's still gonna be on my page. It's from 10 months ago, and it's Be Key Lifestyle. But now I'm reintroducing myself. I had one follower, not one follower, I had one subscriber at the time, and only a few views. And that's fine. I initially posted it on my Facebook page, which did very well and helped my brand a lot. But I just transferred it over to YouTube just to see if it would touch more lives and touch more people and touch more eyes and ears. It didn't work out for me that way, but that's fine as well. It still touched the people it was supposed to touch, and I'm going to continue to push my lifestyle brand and positivity and love and encouragement on everybody. But that's neither here nor there. This reintroduction of myself, Bobby's World Lifestyle. I don't know what I want to name the channel. I don't know what I want. My name is Bobby, so it'll be something surrounding my name, because that's who I want y'all to get. I want y'all to get to know who I am as a person. But my channel is primarily going to be about sneakers and re-ingratiating myself, trying to use a $1,000 word right there, into the sneaker culture, because the sneaker culture is what I grew up on, what I fell in love with way before, because I'm an old head now. I don't know how old I look, but I'm probably a lot older than I do look. But I fell in love with sneakers way before it was a big thing in my community and in my town. So I still remember, I grew up spoiled as I'm not an only child, but I grew up only child because my siblings are so much older than me. And so my parents got me almost every sneaker that I wanted at the time. And it wasn't about hype. It wasn't about I didn't even have every Jordan that came out or anything like that, because it wasn't necessarily everything I was into. I could have got Jordans. It could have been Nike, Puma, anything. I just loved sneakers. And as I got older, had a child, I went into full daddy mode and focused more on taking care of him and getting him everything that I wanted him to have and everything that he needs. And it got away from, me getting things for myself. So now that, I got the itch again. I got the itch. And I want to get back out here and, be on the hunt. Unfortunately, the prices aren't the same as they were when I was a kid, and I didn't have to worry about the prices. I wasn't paying anything. My parents were buying me all my sneakers, and I think it's a good thing. I think it's a good thing that I was in love with sneakers, but wasn't a collector at the time. And I encourage all kids to fall in love and be passionate about whatever you're passionate about. But as far as sneakers, as a child, you grow out of them like this. So everybody's out here getting these crazy expensive sneakers, getting Yeezys and every Jordan release that drop, and you can't fit them after, 6 months. You into the next size. So unless you're reselling sneakers and you're going to take amazing care of them, I don't encourage kids to Go out. Hey, Chancey boy. This is Chance. This is YouTube Chance. Good boy. I don't encourage kids to collect Snickers. Because you're gonna grow out of them so fast, and it's kind of a waste of money. But now, like I said, I'm a grown ass man, and I'm doing grown ass things, and I'm out here spending my own money. So it's time to take care of myself, man. And what I'm gonna do with this channel is completely, I ain't gonna say completely different, because I don't know what other people do on YouTube. But what I want to do on this channel is try to get people to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me. I want y'all to help me. I want you guys to help me, because what I'm going to be on the journey for, it's not going to be for every Jordan release to come out. My mentality still hasn't changed. My mentality hasn't changed from when I was a child and not wanting every release. I don't like every Jordan that comes out just because it's Jordan. Basketball sneakers, I got basketball sneakers. I love basketball sneakers. I love all types of sneakers. But I also love Asics. Also love, Nike brand, like Adidas, obviously. So it's not all about just, the what's hype and what's the hottest thing out right now. I encourage everybody, and this is from grown to kid, get what you like. You don't have to match with everybody else. For one, I don't want to look like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? Mix it up. Change it up. It's about your swag. What's your swag? So anyway, I'm not going to go on too long. Like I said, this is just my intro video. This is my introduction. Hopefully I can get somebody to view this video and comment below. Because what I want to do is I want y'all to help me grow. You see, I don't have no big collection behind me no more like when I was a kid. I don't got, like everybody else on YouTube, got the boxes stacked up to the ceiling, wrapped around the room. I don't have that right now. But what I do want to do, I want y'all to grow with me. I want my fans. I'm famous. I want my subscribers, whether it's 5 or 5 million, to grow with me. Help me grow. And then we can grow together, and we can start seeing things pile up around the room, see how things change in my life. And I want y'all to go with me. I want y'all to go on this ride with me. So we do this together, and I appreciate y'all way in advance. Whoever likes, subscribes, sees this, tell me what I can change. Tell me what I'm not doing right. I don't have no fancy equipment. I'm just let me get to that too. I ain't got all the latest fancy equipment. I don't know how to edit videos and do all that crazy stuff and stuff coming in and out and type this here and it fade. I ain't got it. I ain't there yet. So y'all can help me with that too. So if y'all can like, subscribe, whatever everybody says in their videos, and comment below. But I want y'all to comment below so I can interact with y'all. I'm going to answer any questions, and I'm going to take criticism, constructive criticism, whatever y'all got for me. So, without further ado, with all that being said, at the end of the day, and any other cliche you can come up with, I'm out. I'm your boy B, and I'll talk to y'all later.